Protons and neutrons are far more massive than electrons in them atomic mass. AMU stands for atomic mass unit. Protons are a neutron. It's almost equal to
AMU.
1 AMU. So here's an electron cloud, proton, neutron.
Where are the protons and neutrons found? What's that location called? Class, help them out.
The nucleus.
Nucleus. Very good. All right, thank you.
The number of protons in an atom nucleus is equal to the atomic number. Over here we have the atomic number. Hydrogen has 1. Wait, hydrogen is 1.
That's it.
Oh, no, the atomic number of hydrogen is 1, and the atomic number of carbon is 6.
Okay. And so what's that a picture of? From where?
From the chart.
From the periodic table. Very good.
Mass
Thank you.
number is the sum of protons and neutrons. The number of neutrons, that's nice spacing right there, by the way, is equal to the mass number. If you know 2 of the 3 numbers, mass number, atomic number, number of neutrons, you can always calculate the third. For example, those are protons and the nucleus, and the mass number equals 10. The protons and nucleus equals mass number.
That should say neutrons, protons, and neutrons, not nucleus. Protons, neutrons. No problem. Thank you.
Atoms are the same element that have different numbers of neutrons. Carbon with a mass number of 12 is written as a carbon negative 12.
Nope, just carbon 12. That's a dash.
Oh, okay.
Keep going.
Carbon 12 and carbon 14 are
Isotopes.
isotopes of elements carbon. Add us on Snapchat.
Keep going.
What? There's nothing else to read.
Ay, ay, ay. Okay, so what about the picture? Tell me about the picture. Point at the picture. That has 1 proton. Point at the next picture. Point at the next picture. That's 1 proton, 1 neutron. Now point at the next picture. 1 proton, 2 neutrons. Those are 3 isotopes of hydrogen. Thank you very much.
Alright, we got subatomic particle masses. The nucleus contains protons and neutrons. For the mass of a proton is
Roughly.
the same as a neutron, about 1.67
Times 10
times 10
to the negative.
to the negative 24.
Very good.
The electron's mass is so small that it can be
Ignored.
ignored when evaluating the mass of an atom.
Okay. And what about the picture? Tell me about it.
Alright, we got fixed orbits right here.
Right.
We got the electron cloud.
Very good.
We got the protons and the neutrons.
And what's that area called where protons and neutrons are?
The nucleus.
There we go. Thank you very much. 1 clap.
Average atomic mass. Average atomic mass is the weighted average mass of all naturally occurring
Isotopes.
of an element. It's measured in atomic mass units, AMU. Most elements, including
Boron. Keep going.
salt,
Naturally occur.
naturally occur as more than one
Isotope.
isotope. Each element can be described by an average atomic mass.
All right. Tell me about the picture.
This is the nucleus. It has 5 protons and 5 neutrons.
Very good. And what about the one to the right?
This has 6 neutrons and 5 protons.
Right. Does the number of protons change between the two?
No,
No, but the number of what changes?
neutrons.
Very good. Perfect. Thank you.